How to fix TikTok story not visible to some followers. To fix your TikTok story so your followers can see it, you simply need to update the story audience settings to everyone. So simply open your TikTok application. Then tap on your profile section. Then simply tap on the plus icon to create a story. Now then simply select on the media files that you want to upload. It could be a video or image or any video that you create on the instant. So just before you upload, simply press on the setting or gear icon at the top. And to select your audience, you can simply see who can view this post. So make sure that it is selected on everyone. If you select on friends, then only your friends that follow you will be able to see it. And if you tap on only you, none of the people will be able to see. So make sure that always this setting is on everyone before you post. Now when you publish your story, everyone can view this post. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. In this way you will be able to fix TikTok story audience. And consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.